Pretty much everything in the universe is made up of matter. The earth, air, you and me, stars, interstellar dust, all are matter, by which we mean these things are made up of electrons and quarks, and very occasionally other rare matter particles like muons, neutrons, and neutrinos. All of these particles are at their fundamental level existential in everywhere, permitting quantum fields. But as the famous quote goes, for every particle there is an equal and opposite antiparticle, and opposite existential in everywhere, permitting quantum field that has all the exact same properties as the particle except the opposite charge. And since these particles are opposite existential of the quantum field, when the particle and antiparticle met, they annihilate and destroy each other, which is pretty much exactly like the equation x squared is equal to 4. If you solve it, you will get two solutions, 2 and minus 2. The same value but opposite sign, and when they met, they destroy each other. Every fundamental particle has an own antiparticle. There are antiquarks, antineutrinos, antimuons, antitrons, and of course anti-electrons, though we call them positrons. During the Big Bang, the universe should have created half and half, one atom of matter, one of antimatter. But look around, matter is everywhere. Where'd all the antimatter go? It's one of the greatest mysteries of the physics. Antimatter is same as matter, but opposite. Scientists have been looking for antimatter since it was theorized in 1920s. Physicist Paul Dirac was trying to reconcile two new chapters in physics, Einstein's theory of relativity and quantum mechanics. According to some physicists, the universe created one more matter than the antimatter. According to some other physicists, the Big Bang was in cone shape, where all the matter went in one universe and all the antimatter went to another universe, which gave us the concept of mirror world. Since the antimatter particles are essentially identical to the regular matter other than the opposite charge thing, they can combine together in essential identical way to form antiprotons, anti-atoms, anti-molecules, and in principle anything from anti-ants to anti-humans, even anti-you and anti-me, and it can be in existence. In fact, we may not be matter in the world of antimatter, rather we are antimatter there, but we can make really cool positronium atom in our world. It's like hydrogen. It's called antihydrogen. Antihydrogen is made up of negativity charged antiprotons and positivity charged positrons. This evil antimatter twin version has same mass, by the way. It's really hard to make anything big out of antimatter. At this point, we are still only able to make and connect few hundred antihydrogen at the same time. In 2002, Alpha collaborators team at CERN announced they have trapped 38 antihydrogen atoms for 172 milliseconds each, but it can be trapped for more time using lasers now. But if antimatters came in the evil hand or in context of matter, it can be used as bomb or more dangerous than the two nuclear bombs of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Antimatter and matter annihilation could be used to hyperlocally treat cancer and corona without harming surrounding tissues. Matter matters, but it's not just about matter versus antimatter. There are also states like solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and maybe new one too. I'm Mahadin in Arabic, which means the right way sure. At last, there is a long way to go with antimatter and use it for development.